an action shot there.
Welcome to our daily vlogs. Yeah, dance with a wiggle. Oh, yummy, yummy. Fruit salad. Oops. Oh, fruit salad. Masayaw siya kanina. Finish. Much easier. Okay. She knows how to ride a bike already.
Which pedals? It's not working.
Okay, push. Why?
There we go.
There, yay!
Oh, accident.
Go in the kitchen. She knows how to steer it also. Go backwards, okay, now. Okay, bike. Oh, honey, look at her. Oh, crash. Nakakatuwa naman. Nice, she will go back in there, honey. And look, she has a passenger at the back. Guys, na-scam kami. Binili naming iPhone, guys. May problema. Ngayon, nagtingin kami sa YouTube ng fix. So, madali lang siyang ayusin. Kaya lang, nung pagbukas namin, mayroon siyang nawawalang piece. So annoying. Ididikit ko, guys, yung battery. Nagpapaka-technician na naman po tayo.
Other side, no?
I know.
So wait for that. Oh, lift it up. Okay, ignore me.
May nawawalang piece dito, guys. Here. So what we will put in there?
Even double-sided tape.
Double-sided tape?
But you don't take the backing off one side.
Is it okay for heat?
Yeah. It's either that or cardboard. Something that's going to compress, but cardboard might compress and just keep compressing. And you lose the connection eventually.
Why not a seam and then put something over it? So it's not, so it's a plastic thingy. What if this card? Yeah, what if this? So it's much bigger.
Yeah.
And then what else we will put? This foam tape is from the Philippines pa. Yeah, because it's so handy. And then put in here. Are you sure?
Hopefully that's enough.
It's not. That's so thick.
Hopefully it's not too thick.
Yeah. Maybe no.
No, looks like it's.
I hope.
Only has to be slightly above the battery level.
Ulit, guys. Ulit. Okay, it feels so secure now, and the weight is now somehow feeling better.
That bit of plastic was very heavy.
I think di pa rin siya okay, guys, kasi tingnan nyo. Yeah. I thought. If you put pressure in here, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's just really a matter of finding. I think it really needs a cushioning and a cushioning.
2 layers of the tape.
Okay, gawa ulit tayo, guys. 2 layers of tape. We can do this. We can do this.
And then send them a message saying you fixed your phone.
Can you give my money back? The problem is when I try to close it, it's moving.
Yeah.
Pasensya na ka, guys, kung nag-i-English ang kausap natin. Okay. That's why there is a cover, so it will not move. The problem is we don't have a cover. Please work. Oh my God!
What?
Where is it?
There.
There. Oh, there's a white thing still. But I don't see flickering yet. May white, may pressures. Kaya siguro meron siyang kulay. Okay, let's see. It's not working.
No. The pressure on the screen.
Guys, hindi siya gumagana. I think makapal siya, so we will try one layer of tape lang. Open na naman. Kasi guys, ayan o, nakaangat siya.
The cables for the LCD connection right there. Do is go.
Trial and error to guys. Kaya natin to. Masaya diba pagtatapos. And I feel hungry now. And I think I want to. Okay guys, meron ako ditong nano SIM from Globe. Tanggalin natin. So ito, yung original na nilagay doon. So, tingnan natin kung gagana siya. Ayaw. Ay. Guys, kakain muna tayo. Si Mark tapos na. Nag-take out. Is it? The other way around or no?
Yeah, that's the front.
Okay, we have, what's this? Roast pork, carrots,
veggies, yeah.
and veggies, potatoes, and beans. So, nag-take out na lang kasi kami kasi hindi ako nakapagluto dahil pinikap nga namin yung cellphone na yun. So, kain muna ako guys. Hi guys! Good morning! He's laughing. Why you're laughing?
Good morning from Scam City.
Papunta naman kami ngayon guys sa, where are we going? Basta titingin kami ng car yard. Kasi may nakita si Mark na car na gusto niya dahil malaki. And then magiging kotse ko daw yun kasi gusto niya is maliit lang. And then I think kailangan ko talaga yung malaki kasi kapag meron kang bata at kunyari nadagdagan pa. And then the main reason also na kaya kami bibili is I hope mag-rank yung tourist visa ng ni nanay, ni tatay sa ng kapatid ko. So kapag nandito sila hindi kami kasya sa isang kotse, so mahirapan kaming umalis-alis. So kaya kami bibili. And then para din matuto din ako mag-drive. So meron akong sarili. And then yeah, I hope we're not going to be scammed today.
Yeah.
Because guys, we got scammed last night.
I think it's an accidental scam.
We got scammed. He said an accident scam.
I think so.
Because
he repairs phones, like he just hasn't done a good job with it.
yes, and we decided too quickly last night. Kasi yun nangyari kasi, gusto kong bumili ng iPhone because kasi may pagbibigyan ako. Tapos, so meron na ako nakita $400 iPhone 6s Plus 64GB for $400 plus. And then nakipag-usap na ako, sabi ko we will pick it up tomorrow like that 10:30, something like that. And then for some reason that ad naka-upload siya twice with a different
Like an action shot there. I don't get them in too many videos.
I wonder how it looks like.
I probably think you're having a car crash.
Kiara laughed too.
Kiara thinks it's
Why are you
funny too.
crying? Why you're laughing? Yeah, that's funny. So where are we?
Getting scammed. Yeah.
No.
Buying that $400 one.
Yeah, the $400 one is advertised by two different people, but pareho silang black. And then nung mga hapon, nakatanggap ako ng notification na it's sold. So I messaged her, sabi ko, bakit? Oh, I said, is it sold already? Like that. So sabi niya, oh sorry, my brother sold it. So yung isang naglagay ng ad is brother niya na naibenta na. So in marketplace talaga, the first one who paid it got the item. So, nainis ako. Sabi ko, bakit? So, nag-look ako sa bright side. Oh, there is a bee outside of the car. There, camera bee.
Honey truck.
Ah, look. The bee is following the honey truck. Gee, what? In Kangaroo Island?
Yeah.
They will go to Kangaroo
Yeah,
Island.
special honey there.
Yes, yeah. Guys, dito din pala kapag yung bus, gusto mo sumakay, gaganyan ka din pala. Like in the
But only
Philippines.
at the stop, so.
Yeah, just
Yeah,
on
not
the
on the side of
stop.
the road,
Okay,
right.
yeah. Gaganyan, papara ka din pala like in the Philippines. Jeepney, like
Yeah.
like that. Like that. Cute. First time ko nakakita kanina yung lalaki. Ito na kami guys sa Beverly Car Sales.
Okay.
Yan. Bye guys! See you in our next one. I hope you enjoyed the video and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching!